then they get prone to injury. The joints are more vulnerable, more sensitive if they don't have the strength which the surrounding muscles provide to them. That would be vastus medialis here, the medial quadriceps muscle coming from the middle side, protecting the knee joint. It can be tibialis anterior, running here in front of the shin bone, giving some stability, integrity to the knee joint. It is the deltoid muscle and other rotator cuff muscles around the shoulder joint, etc., etc. So keep a firmness, keep a strength and integrity in your muscles to protect them. That is the main message. But from the side of stretching, what is relevant for us is to understand that the stretching is also a process of the nervous system. So what we need to do is learn to let go. We need to be able to kind of be our own anesthesia of the surgery room, and as much as possible relax the muscles to be able to stretch them properly. So a lot of the shortness of muscles is actually not about muscle fibers being too short. It is instead rather a chronic holding on to a contraction of a habitual type, this constant background firing, and the muscles being kept short by a certain tension in the body related to stress, fear, anger, etc., and coldness and lack of movement and soreness and tightness, tension, so many reasons why the nervous system keeps the muscles tight, contracted, short. And what we need to allow in stretching is a relaxation. We need to allow ourselves to let go. But this is a certain vulnerability, and that requires trust. So we need to be in a safe space where we can let go of our fear, stress, anger. And we breathe deeply, and we take another deep breath. We sigh it out with a long exhalation, and we pause after exhalation, as Patanjali suggests that in the Yoga Sutras, chapter 1, 34 or 35. Breathe out and pause for a moment to calm down the mind, relax the muscles, let go, and allow yourself to soften. And this then gives the permission for the nervous system to reduce that background tension, which in turn allows the muscles to lengthen. So a lot of stretching is actually not an actively pulling, trying hard, working, pulling. But it's so much more about an allowing ourselves to let go. And the exhalation is the key for that. And where we cultivate that most skillfully is in the contemplative, mindful holding of poses, as we do it in some forms of Hatha Yoga, and as we also teach it in our Yin Yoga courses, breathing through it, it's mindful awareness, allowing ourselves to relax. So check out those sessions in your local studios. Go to Yin Yoga and experience that intensity and see how much you can relax into the intensity of an ongoing stretch, and see how much you can let go in a trusting way.